Welcome to our channel. Today we how to download calendars by Readdle for better personal planning, detailed guide step by step clearly. Start by opening the App Store on your device. In the search bar, type Calendars by Readdle and hit enter. Locate the app in the search results and tap on it. Click the Get button to initiate the download. Wait for the app to finish downloading and installing on your device. Once the app is installed, find it on your home screen and tap to open. On the welcome screen, you may be prompted to grant permissions for calendar access. Allow the necessary permissions for the app to function properly. Sign in with your existing calendar account or create a new one if needed. After logging in, take a moment to familiarize yourself with the interface. To start adding events, tap the plus icon usually found at the top right corner. Fill in the details for your event, including title, location, date, and time. Select any additional options such as setting reminders or adding notes as needed. Once you've entered all the event information, tap Save to add it to your calendar. To sync with other calendars, go to the settings within the app. Select accounts and choose the calendar services you'd like to connect. Follow the on-screen instructions to authenticate and sync these accounts. You can now view all your calendar events from different sources in one place. Explore additional features such as color coding events for better organization. Consider using the daily, weekly, or monthly views to plan effectively. Utilize the search function to quickly find specific events or tasks. Make use of widgets if available, for quick access to your calendar on the home screen. Adjust your notification settings to ensure you receive timely reminders for upcoming events. Regularly check your calendar to keep your plans organized and up to date. Enjoy enhanced personal planning with calendars by Readdle. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.